Law 16, Robert Greene's Laws of Power. And I like this one. I think we can use this, and I think it's not used enough. Use absence to increase respect and honor. Robert's judgment on this. Too much circulation makes the price go down. The more you are seen and heard from, the more common you appear. If you're already established in a group, temporary withdrawal from it will make you more talked about, even more admired. You must learn when to leave. Create value through scarcity. Now, of course, in my Masters of Influence training, when we talk about Robert Cialdini's 6 laws of influence, scarcity is the number 6. And I was doing a podcast yesterday with Simone, and I chose scarcity as the one to talk about because for 50% of the population, if there isn't scarcity, then a person won't make a decision. So therefore you haven't influenced them, therefore you haven't had power over them. So, one of the things I see a lot, it's a very natural thing for people when they first start out in business. They have total availability because they haven't got any clients. There's a whole series of things happen there from a Cialdini point of view. 1, you haven't got scarcity. 2, you haven't got authority because you're not obviously the go-to person. And you haven't got social proof because nobody else is booking out your time. So I think Law 16 is a real one to get your head around, particularly in the expert business, which I know a lot of you are, I was always told, when I first started out in my coaching business in 1990, my mentor, Max, told me, you are always busy. Your diary is always full. And, and it was interesting. I thought the Simone yesterday actually had a great point on this, is that when you start out in business, you might not have any clients, but that doesn't mean you're not busy. Because you're supposed to be selling, marketing, designing products, connecting with people. Book those in the diary. You are busy. Your availability is scarce. And that will dramatically increase your respect and honor, according to Robert Greene. I like that one. I think people need to use that more.